With Jane, she's helped me open my eyes and to realize that I can heal myself. I just have to use the tools in the toolbox. She's given us many tools. Not that challenges don't present themselves. I know what to do. I now listen to my body. What we say matters. Hi, I'm Caroline Casey. I live in Perth, Ontario, and I'm retired. I had been struggling with a SI joint issue for years. I was thinking about it this morning, so almost 20 years. It pretty well ruled my life. Like it came, it went, and and then I joined Jane's program. When I originally started with Jane, I used to jokingly say I'm my own pain in the fill in the blank. And Jane said, it sounds funny, but your subconscious doesn't have a sense of humor. And you're telling yourself, I'm my own pain. Our thoughts, our speech, and our feelings all affect our body. So now when somebody says to me, how are you feeling? And I say, well, sometimes it's talking to me. And that's the way I talk about it. I don't get lost in my story. If it's talking to me, then I've learned to send it love and say, sometimes gifts are presented in strange wrapping paper. Then she was saying that she had this group. So I joined it in January and I haven't looked back. She's also given me a community of like-minded people. In Jane's community, twice a month we get to go to group coaching. So all of the things are presented, take it, leave it. It's up to us to put the program into use. There's always something to learn, always new challenges. And Jane she's just such a nice person. And she listens to us. It's an incredible program, and we have the ability to get together through Zoom or through Facebook. The guest speakers are always interesting, and it's a different approach in wellness. We have tools to help heal ourselves, and I really feel like this is the path to health.